Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Shortcuts automate app tasks using a single tap or voice command. They connect actions across apps into one flow. Shortcuts can open apps, send messages, and manipulate files automatically. You can combine actions like open app, send message, and resize image to create complex routines. Use parameters like text, numbers, and URLs inside each action for flexibility. Shortcuts save time and reduce repetitive steps across apps. They work with keyboard keys, gestures, home screen icons, or voice triggers. Tap Create Shortcut, then Add Action, then choose App Actions from the list. Select actions such as Get Contacts, Compose Email, or Resize Image to build a workflow. Use input and output to pass data between actions in the shortcut. Insert variables like clipboard, selected text, or current date for dynamic behavior. Test the shortcut by running it step by step and observing results. Test the shortcut and save with a descriptive name and icon for easy recognition. Assign keyboard shortcuts or gestures to run the shortcut instantly on demand. Connect triggers like time of day, arrival, or Bluetooth device connect for automatic execution. Use conditional actions such as if, repeat, and wait to build logic into your workflows. Leverage integrations with third-party apps via URL schemes and shareable actions. Use Optimize for performance by batching network calls and limiting heavy media operations. Share shortcuts as files or import from galleries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.